Where's he gone?
He's doing it to the front.
We've been dumped.
They've left us, Bethan. We're stuck.
Because it's a zigzag one, he's going to go back to the front now and then he's going to go down the other hill.
You explain that to Bethan.
Alright, this is what happens, Bethan. The train's gone back down there, now he's going to go down to the front of the train now. Now
So
we're
we'll
actually
come
in the
back on
back of the
that
train. The train!
I don't think so, because
So some action.
there's been smoke coming out of there on a regular basis.
Let's get my head chopped off.
Smells like tar or something.
Filming it first.
We've got to get there.
Here comes the train.
Train! Bring the train!
Facing the wrong way though.
Here you go to the front of the train, sorry.
So we're going back that way.
Oh no, we're going that way.
No. We came from that way.
Did you get the train, Mick? Did you get it?
Which one was that?
That train there. You see it?
Yeah, I think so. It's a bit of smoke.
It's not the red one, it's the blue one.
Okay.
Right?
That the one with the face on the front. Guys,
Film
it's
me.
up the smoke.
Hey, what's that? Right.
Wait till you go through the tunnel, it all comes in.
Water. Right, isn't it?
Come back.
We're going to come back up and I'll film you there. Go in! Is that a train, Vic? Why don't you go and get closer and have a look in? Oh, look at that, Vic. What's that, Vic? Oh, look at that, Bethan. That's Thomas.
Gentlemen, boys and girls, just be a slight delay. Looks like you're going to have a steam locomotive to go back to Clarence with, and to shunt the diesel down.
Now you're going to get
Is it the morphine?
No, stop waving, stop waving.